Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I'll be planning for the first week of February in my ink bucket planner. So for this week's planning, I thought of using these cutouts. They're actually not stickers. I chopped it off from the ink bucket calendar's packaging. And in case you have thrown out the packaging, what you can do is in this calendar on the very first page, there are like the same ones printed, and you can cut it in whatever shape you want and use it as stickers in your planner to decorate it. And I believe there are about 5 puppies and 3 cats. So yeah, let's see. I'll probably need 6 of them, not all. Let's see what I can use. And in order to stick them, I'm going to be using these glue tapes. I wish I had one of those sticky glue, but I don't. So let's use this. For Monday, I want to put something that's really encouraging and nice. I think this is a nice one to start off your week with. So yeah, I loved these puppies and I was so happy to see her launch this calendar and for it to come as one of the freebies because I absolutely love dogs, and lately I have started liking cats as well. So yeah, and also this year I'm really looking forward to I'm really looking forward to having my own pet. So I felt like this would act as a nice addition to my desk, the calendar. And then I could use these somewhere in my planner. So yeah, it's a great way to begin our week. And these are actually quite thick. And I feel like next week when I come to write down here, I might face some trouble, but that's okay. They are really cute. I don't mind adding them in my planner. And this planner, I have come to terms that it's definitely gonna bulk up because I've been using stickers in each and every like spread. So it's definitely gonna bulk up and I cannot avoid that. So let's just go with it. And for Tuesday, let's use this one, this cat, because Tuesday is a very busy day. I have 2 classes, which kind of takes most of my day. And then I have work as well. And then I also have a tarot reading session on Tuesday. So it takes most of my day. And I'll definitely be sitting like this with my glasses on in front of the system. Okay, so I'm gonna use it probably over here, and I'm really looking forward to having a not so eventful week after the current week that I've had, so that I can really focus on, grounding myself a little bit and then concentrating on planning my goals and just strategizing to see what exactly I need to focus on this month. So we are done with these pets here, and for my yoga boxes, I want to be using some of these because of the colors that go along with it. I feel like they match really well. So for my priorities, I'm going to be using these larger ones here, and for my yoga, I'm going to be using the smaller ones. At the time I'm filming this video, it is Friday night and I am beyond excited for the weekend. I just wanted to wrap up this week very quickly, and I'm also looking forward to the upcoming week, which is this one, because I have just the usual regular stuff going on, nothing in specific. Oh no, I have one really exciting thing for Monday, but apart from that, it's pretty normal stuff. So I'm really looking forward to it, just to get into my habits a little bit more in depth. The yoga one is going pretty good. I'm happy with that. and I see like from February onwards I want to include more of activities. Ever since we being locked down, my activities have reduced a lot, so I'm really looking forward to increase my activities in February. I kind of took this whole month to uh, become regular at yoga, like making it a daily habit to do it like every single day or on as many days as possible. So I'm happy with that, and obviously that will be my main focus. If it comes down to me prioritizing between other activities and yoga, I would definitely prioritize that. But on the days I do want to like put more effort into, you know, implementing more activities in my life. And regarding walks, last week like it went pretty good. I mean, not the this week that we are currently in, but the week before that went pretty good. And I kind of this week was, I mean, I don't want to like pressurize myself. I need to be a little bit conscious about what happened this week, so I'm okay with me not going. But the week after, like the first week of February, I definitely look at increasing my walk time or the distance a little bit and making it more of a daily practice, like how I've managed to, you know, get the yoga thing done. I definitely want to do the walks as well. For Friday, let's use this one. And these priority boxes, they work quite well for me, and the way I use them is, first thing, like I choose 3 priorities for the day and then I write them down here. If I don't do anything else that I write on the paper here, it's totally fine for me. As long as I get these done, the day is a win. It's just a way for me to streamline things and simplify it a little bit, so that I am not overwhelmed with all the other things that are going on that day. So it's really nice. And the other day I had gotten a comment about asking if I maintain a separate book wherein I write down the tasks of like before putting into my planner. I actually do, and the reason I have it is because of my me filming videos. After I put down these stickers, I do write down the task, right? So on a separate notebook, I just make a note of all the tasks that I need to put in with you guys on camera, because you know, while I'm filming it, I might forget adding some of the tasks. So I do like have a separate notebook for that. And also what I do is on a daily basis, I have my planner open with me looking at my priority list as well as the tasks on my desk. And I also keep a separate notepad, so if I need to make a note of anything, or if I have a task which needs to be broken down into smaller steps, I do use that notepad to do that. In case you had that question as well, I thought I would mention it. So we're almost done with our stickers, and I do like how bold these pets are, so that, I mean, it does not require a lot of stickers apart from those ones for decoration. So yeah, that's really nice. So we are done with the stickering on this page. There will be some stickers that I'm going to use, but those are for my tasks. So let's get started with our planning. So on Mondays, I do have a lot of things that I need to mark compared to the other days, and that's just because on Mondays I do not have classes or work. I mainly use it to book coaching sessions and tarot reading sessions, so most of that happens on a Monday. And then any other business tasks, like I spend Monday completely on that. So the first thing that I want to mark is weekly gratitude, which is in this here. This is what I do first thing on Monday morning. And then what I need to do is tarot for the week, and this is something that I do for myself. It's a great, I personally use it as a self-development tool. And also I need to do my February budget. So this month I'm actually thinking of uploading a budget video. I don't think I'll be sharing the numbers, but I do use stickers, and then it's completely a paper planning method. And I also use certain format which I feel might be helpful for you guys. So I thought I could upload it this month, see whether you guys like it or not, and then decide in the future whether I want to continue or not. So I think I'm going to be uploading that as well. I'll film it on Monday. And then another thing is very exciting. For that, I want to use sticker. And the reason why I want to use stickers is when I flip through this planner in the future, once we're done with 2021, I want those to be highlighted. So I want to use a sticker. I'm gonna put this over here at the top, and Monday I'll be interviewing for my podcast, and I'm really excited not only to interview her but also to kind of introduce her to you guys. I'm just excited about that. So that would be coming out sometime this week. And I do upload my podcast on YouTube as well, in case you don't have accounts on any of the podcasting platforms. So keep an eye out for that. And that's done for Monday. And then I don't have anything for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because these days are busy for me. And yeah, I don't have anything, especially this week. I don't have a lot. And for Friday, one thing that I want to mark is planner time, which is when I film this video. I'm gonna put it over here, or I think I'm gonna put it at the bottom, because I usually film my YouTube videos in the night once I'm done with all the other stuff. So that's done. And for Saturday, obviously the family time. If you guys are new to my channel, I have weekly catch up with my cousins. We just catch up on a weekly basis to check in with each other. So I'm gonna put that here. And then what else is there? Oh, I do have my meal plan. I'm gonna write that here for the upcoming week. I need to do that. And also movie time. And so every Saturday I take some time off to just watch a movie and relax, and not really do any of the household stuff or something. So yeah, that's a nice time for me. I really look forward to that as well. And then on Sunday, I have two things that I want to mark. One is end of the week reflection. Sunday night, once I'm done with my day, what I do is I sit down right before I go to sleep. I fill out this spot of the planner, and in case I can't do it on a Sunday, I usually do it on a Monday morning before I fill the gratitude spread. So that works out pretty well for me. And another thing that I want to mark is my trash. And for that, I'm going to be using some stickers from the household sticker book. So I want to mark that over here so that I don't miss putting out the trash. So I'm looking forward to this week because it's a new month. It's another chance to start fresh. So I'm excited for that, and also this interview. And yeah, if you liked watching this video, then I would highly appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.